dear kids, welcome back to your active learning lab class. So the activity which I have planned is hopscotch fun, and we have done this activity earlier also, but today with this different topic. So children, let's move to our activity area and see what is there in this activity. So children, as I told you, our activity name is hopscotch fun, and children, we have done this activity earlier also, but again with the help of tape, or you can see I have used marker also because tape was very less, so I have used marker also to draw this hopscotch. And children, you know how to move on this hopscotch, but the chart the topic which we will cover today is different, and it is related to months of the year. And here we will discuss first how many months are there in a year and what are the names of months, or you can say name of different months. So here is the chart, and without any delay, let's call Aishwarya Didi and she will tell us how we will do this activity. So children, here we have Aishwarya Didi with us. Hello Aishwarya.
Hi.
So Aishwarya, today we are going to do this activity and the name is hopscotch fun. We have done this activity earlier also, but many children they are asking, ma'am, again we want to do this activity, so I have planned it again. So the chart, or we can say the topic which we will cover today is months of the year. Okay, so first just show us the demo how you will jump on this hopscotch, and then we'll include the chart.
Okay.
So one step, two step, and you have to go back as well. So this is as simple as we see the number and we have to jump. So Aishwarya, now we will include the chart. Okay, and the chart is about months of the year. So you have to jump and you have to just follow the number also. Okay?
Okay.
And don't forget to speak the month, or you name the months of the year. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So first is
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
So Aishwarya, now we will include the chart. You have to jump on this hopscotch and you have to just name the months as well. Okay?
Okay.
So now just start.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August,
So children, because we have only 8 numbers and I have limited space, so Aishwarya Didi has done till August. Now Aishwarya, number 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you have to just name, you have to stand and name all these months. Okay?
September, October, November, December.
Wow! So we have how many months in a year?
12 months.
Okay, so there are 12 months in a year. Okay, so can you now it's question answer time. Okay, so you are on which number?
I'm on the first number.
Number 1. Okay, can you tell me the first month of the year?
January.
Wow, now keep on jumping. Okay, so can you tell me which is the 4th month of the year?
January, February, March, April.
Okay, so it's April. 4th month is April. Okay, now keep moving. Stop. Okay, now tell me the 6th month of the year.
June.
Wow. And your birthday falls in the month of June. Very good. Now move ahead. Stop. Okay, tell me the 8th month of the year.
August.
August. Okay, now go back. And can you tell me any month which start with J?
January or July.
Okay, and June as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So Aishwarya, one more question can I ask?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the month which name start with D? D.
December.
Wow. And F for?
February.
Wow. So children, have you seen how nicely Aishwarya Didi has finished this activity? And you draw this hopscotch and you can enjoy this activity as well. But don't forget to share your videos on my personal window. We will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.
Bye bye.